So whenever whenever you join to company, they will give work. Okay, so they will not come directly to you, sit behind. Yeah, you do this one, change the color, add the color. They will not tell like this. Okay, you have a account in this one, right? So there is another project called Jira. Okay, there is another project called Jira. This is also available with the Bitbucket itself. Okay, so you can go here and there is a arrow, Jira software, right? You can click on it, automatically you will go to the Jira, and what they will happen is they will create a suppose I want to add a button somewhere, or I want to create one feature. What they will do, they are going to create a one button. Okay, suppose I want to show some example. Okay, they want to show an example. So I'm going to click on create button. So and I'm going to add a here, what is the ticket I want to going to do it. And the next thing, creating is different. So something like this, this is my ticket name. What is it saying? Mobile login screen and forget password screen. That means in my project I want to add a login and something like this. Okay, Trinits technologies stock, something like this. So go to your project. I want to add this login screen. There is no login screen in the project. I want to add it. So that is the reason they will come here and they will create one ticket. Okay, hey, add a login screen and forget screen. Okay, and they will give all the details, how your screen should be there, what is the color, what is the text, everything they will give here. Screenshots they will give it. Okay, who will give this information? Your team lead will give it. Okay, always tell on your team lead. Okay, who will give your work to you? Team lead. Who will give all this screen design, this colors, this boxes and all? Who will give that design? Team lead. Okay, who will give everything? You tell on the team lead. Okay, your team. Okay, this project, and here there is a name. Okay, suppose what I will do here, I'm going to create my name. Suppose you are joining the project, right? Whenever I'm clicking assign, your names, all your names will be displaying here, and I will assign it to the something else. Okay, let me change to the another project for the demo. Projects. Okay, projects. Let me go to SSR and backlog. Okay, okay, something. Okay, so here I have some two developers. Okay, here also I have same developer. Okay, I want to see with the two developers so that I can show some demo. Okay, okay. Suppose here I have a ticket. Let me go to Bitbucket. How to go to Jira? You can go here and go to Jira software. Okay, so this is a project name. So always your project name, suppose something, this is like a Jira board. Okay, so in every company they will have one maintain a Jira board. Please don't share this video to anybody else. That is very, very important. Okay, so this is a Jira board. Okay, so here every people, whoever in the project, all people will names will be here. Okay, suppose you are working there, your name, all people will be named here. And here what we'll do, we are following agile methodology. Agile methodology means we will have some specific period. It can be 2 weeks, it can be 3 weeks, it can be 1 month also. Based on each company, that period will be different. Okay, so suppose I am following agile methodology for 1 month. In company they are following 2 weeks. That can be anything. Okay, for these 2 weeks, what they will do, they will create some 10 tickets. Okay, and suppose I am a developer one, right? So for 10 days, how many tickets I am going to work on? First, I will give 3 tickets to you. Okay, so this is a suppose I'm a one user. I'm going to give a 10 tickets, and I'm going to give a suppose okay. So like this is a one ticket. So now what I am doing is I'm going to create a 3 tickets to you. Okay, so this is one example. So your team lead will log in. Okay, so Prava can work on for 3 tickets. Like one ticket is working for 3 days. So she need 3 tickets for 10 days. So what your team lead will do, he will assign all your names, whatever the names, your developer names, all developer names will coming, and they will assign their name. Whenever they are assigning their name, automatically you will get an email. Okay, so your team lead has assigned some email. Whenever team lead assign any ticket, please respond it. Okay, that means you need to work on that ticket. That is very, very important. Okay, now I have worked on it. Okay, and here there will be story points. Okay, story points means for doing these changes, how much time it will take. That is nothing but a story point. One story point equal to 1 day. Okay, one story point is equal to 1 day. So here I am giving two story points means 2 days. Okay, three story points means 3 days. Okay, and the story points will give in a Fibonacci number. What will give Fibonacci number? Fibonacci number means, anybody know what is a Fibonacci number So 1, 3, 2, what is the next thing 5, something like this. Okay, let me go to bottom. So Fibonacci number means 1 plus 2, how much ma? 3. 3 plus what is the previous number? 2. How much ma? 5. 5 plus 3, how much ma? 8. 8 plus 5, how much ma? 13. 13 plus 8, how much? 21. So it will calculate with the previous number. That is, so always in all the companies they will maintain a Fibonacci number only. Okay. So whenever you are giving story points, don't give 4, 8, 10. Don't give like this. You need to give in a Fibonacci number only. Either you can give 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 like this. Okay. Remember that point. Whenever you are giving 13, 13 means how many days you are going to work on ma? 13 days. You should not work on 13 days for single ticket. That is a very, very important. What your team lead will say, hey Sudhakar, don't work on single ticket for 13 days. Okay, you divide that work into multiple things. Suppose I want to develop my login page. Okay, I want to develop a login page. So this is my login page. What you are given, you are giving a 5 days, 5 days estimation. Sudhakar, don't give like this. So other higher management will ask questions. That is the reason what you will do. First, you develop the screen is there, right? You say 1 day for screen. So I am going to implement 1 day. So this is 1 day. And again, you need validation, right? I will not enter any details. I'm going to click on validations, right? You add the validation and again you take some half day. So 1.5 days is done, right? Now you need to integrate to the back end, right? So you need to write some service, back end code and all these things, right? For that day, you take another 2 days. Now how many days? Always 4 days, right? For this reason, go to your ticket and there is a add a child issue. Okay, there is a child issue there, right? Go and click here and you can write a first implementing front end changes. Okay, implementing front end changes. Again you will say validations. Again you will say what is an integration with the backend. Integration with the backend. Now how many tickets I have created ma? 1 2 3. So each ticket I will say first ticket 1 day, second ticket 2 days, third ticket 1 day. How many days total days ma? 5 days. If higher management is asking, hey sir, hey team lead, I want validation 1 day. I want integration 2 days. I want screen implementation and responsive 1 day. So total how many days ma? 5 days. So first day will work on this ticket, second day will work on this ticket, third day will work on this ticket. So like this you can work on this ticket. Okay. So ticket means this number ma. This number. What is the number ma? S stack -1 is the right. Based on your project name, this name will be changed. Suppose my project name is the Trinits. It will be Trinits-1, Trinits-2, Trinits-3. This number will be keep on changing. We don't need to remember that. Whenever people are saying, I will work on Jira ticket, that's all. Okay. So now the question is how you will work on it. Now you need to say, so for every 2 weeks, we have a agile methodology, right? So for every 2 weeks, what my team lead will do, how many days I'm going to work on ma? 10 days. So if I am putting 1 day leave, how many days I'm going to work on? 9 days. For 9 days, he will give work ma. I will give 3 tickets. That 3 tickets will equal to 9 days. Now this is your responsibility to complete your ticket in 9 days. They will not come in between first day whether you complete all tickets or not. Second day you are complete or not. They will not ask like this. So they will wait for 9 days and they will come on last day. Hey Sudhakar, what is your progress? How many tickets you are completed? On ninth day, you are saying first ticket only I am starting, not on the second ticket. What they will do? They will write a very big message, very big email, and they will send to higher official. This guy did not implement the changes. I have given 3 tickets. He has done only 1 changes. If he's a good guy, you will not do anything. Okay, so like next time don't do this. You complete by next sprint. But if he's a manager is not a good guy, what he will do, he will note down. I have given a 3 tickets. He has given a completed only 1 ticket. Remaining 2 tickets are pending only. He is not doing work. Something like you keep on raising your question like these are like mistakes from your side. Don't do this one. Okay. Either you work for 8 hours, you work for 10 hours, 12 hours. That doesn't matter for me. You have to complete the 3 projects within this 9 days, like that 10 days. Okay. Suppose you are very intelligent, you are able to complete in 2 days. Excellent. You complete it. Okay. And take 1 or 2 days buffer. After fourth day only go to your team lead. Hey team lead, I have completed my changes. Don't tell in the second day itself. Immediately we'll give another 2 tickets. Whenever you are saying, hey, immediately we'll complete it. When you join the new company only, first 3 months only you will do like this. Whenever you are completed, immediately tell the correct status. After 6 months, don't tell the exact status. Even though you are completed, what you will say, I have completed the form, I need the validation. Already you complete the validation also. For tomorrow thing, what you will say, I'm going to do the validation. Tomorrow what you will say, you already complete the validation, I'm integrating with the backend. And you, your original estimation is 9 days, you complete it in 5 days and give it, he will think, he will be very happy. Okay, he has completed within 9 days, he has completed 5 days. Okay, excellent. But you will not think how many days really I worked on it. So keep some days buffer and tell it. Okay, but whenever you join to new company, give the exact status. Exact status means whatever you are doing, give it first few days. Okay, suppose I am giving this new work, what I have done, I am working on the this page implementation, new page implementation. Okay, for some reason I am not able to give this layout. Left side is not coming, right side is not coming. But whenever my team lead is saying, what I am saying, I have implemented, but I am not implemented. But what I am projecting to my team leader implemented. On fine day evening, you will come to sit. Okay, share your screen and show it. And at the time, it will be like no left side, no right side. You will ask, then why you are saying wrong status? Don't do that. Okay, whenever you are going to new project, you tell that what is the exact status. Currently, I am doing these changes. My left side is not working correctly. I am working on it. Okay, I need some time, half an hour time or 1 day time. I'll so that you give the correct status. Whenever you are giving correct status, he will trust on you. If you are giving wrong status, like there is minus point, negative points will keep on coming. Okay, so give the correct status. Suppose whenever I am developing something, because I don't know this technology or because of some other issue, I am not able to proceed further. Now you need to, now 9 days you have given time, right? Go to sixth day and tell to team lead, hey team lead, I have done two changes. Here I am strucking. I am not able to code it. Whatever I am changing it, it is not at all working. I am strucking. So I cannot finish my task in another 3 days. Either I need another 2 days extra time or I need some other developer help. You need to tell this answer to your team lead. Okay, what he will do, he will get any senior people to you. Hey, he is facing some issue, try to resolve them. It is very important for us. We need to resolve all these three tickets. Apart from your ticket also, we need to finish other guy's ticket also. So now he will pull another guy to you and you together will work on it and you will try to finish it. So if you are not telling that status, only last day, ninth day evening at 9 p.m. you will tell that I am facing the issue, I am not able to solve it. Nobody can help you out. So that is the reason whenever you are doing any work, first before itself, 1 or 2 days before itself, you tell to your team lead, I'm currently, this is my progress. I am struggling somewhere. Yeah, I am struggling somewhere. I'm not able to proceed it. My integration is not working fine. I don't know what is the problem. I need someone help. You tell them so that somebody will help you out with that one. Okay, so that is the reason. Now you have done everything, okay. Now you have completed. Now your ticket is completed. Now what you need to do, once your ticket is completed, now you have done the changes. Okay, I'm going to open some ticket. Okay, suppose I want to do this change, this is simple ticket. Okay, so here everything they will write it. What is the thing you want to do it? Suppose what I want to do, I want to add another input box. That's all here. Okay, I want to add this input box. Now you have added the input box. And what you have done, once you have done everything, there is a status here. Okay, you need to change it to the in review. Okay, so first, whenever Jira ticket is given to you, okay, let me open this Jira ticket. Whenever this Jira ticket is given to you, what is the stage, To do. To do means today only they have assigned, like a sprint is started, all tickets are assigned to you. Now at that time, what is the status, To do. Now you cannot work on all three issues at the same time, right? So that is the reason I will go to first ticket. I will change it to in progress. In progress means what? That means I am working on this ticket. I am changing it. I am writing code. I am testing it. That means you are doing everything. Okay. Now you are testing it, everything done. Your screen is implemented. Now what you need to do, once your changes are, you are created a PR, right? Once you are created a PR, now you need to change it to in review. In review means what? Your changes are done. Now you have created a PR. Now it is whose responsibility? Team lead responsibility. Now what team lead will do? No, daily will go there and there is this board is there, right? You will click on this board. So what is there any ticket for in review? Yes, you will go to that ticket and you will review the ticket. Okay, this change is there, you will review it. He will approve it, he will reject it, he will do the thing. Suppose there is a code review comment he has given, your code is not looking good, this logic is not correct, you change it. Now what we will do, from this in review again it will go to in progress. That means in review, my code review has given some code review comments, again I am doing it, again it will go to in progress. Now again I will do the changes, again you will push the code. Now again where it will go, again you will put into the in review. Now this time everything is okay, pakka, everything perfect. Now he is okay with the code. Now he will approve it. Once he approve it, now we will go to the QA. QA means what? Now you have developed everything, okay, and team lead is okay, and Jira ticket also okay. Now Somebody need to test it. Whatever you are doing it, nobody will trust you in the company. Sir, I have done very well code. Sir, nobody will trust you. There is another guy, they will keep you and they will test your code whether he has done correct or not. Check it. Another people, they will check, they will not execute your code. They will just test your code. So once they testing his code, if everything is pakka, working is fine, what they will do, they will go here and they will write some comments here, okay. So they will say yes, his code is working fine, okay. So you'll say tested the changes, okay, and everything is working fine, and everything will write it, and here they will go and write a thing to closed. What is the last statement? Closed. So whenever ticket is closed, that's it, your your duty is completed until closed. Suppose whenever it is testing it, that button is not available. Now what will happen? Your code is not at all working. What you will do again? From here to you will go to in progress again. This process is called reopen. This process is called a reopen. Reopen means you have done the changes, that change is not working, that means you did not code well. QA is again will what they will do, they will reopen. Reopen means again it will go to in progress. Again you need to code. Again you need to put in review. Again you need to go to come to the QA. Finally, okay, QA is okay, and what you will again you will put in review. After in review, what will go to QA. Again QA. Once it is done, closed. Closed is once it is closed, your responsibility is done. After your ticket is closed, even though that feature is not working, that is not your responsibility. Sir, whenever I am running the code, everything is working, that is a QA is closed. Some because of some other problem, it is not working now. That is not my responsibility. You can tell like that. Until it is closed, that is your responsibility. Okay. So once it is closed, it is done. Okay. Now everybody understand, right? So every 15 days or every 1 month, we'll have agile. Okay. For this home for 10 days or 30 days, he will give work to you. Who is responsible to complete all this work, ma? Your response. If you are not completing it, what they will do? They will write all these note down points, right? For every 3 months, they will have one review meeting. They will call you to separate my cabin. Please sit here. And in this sprint, you did not complete 2 tickets. In this sprint, you did not complete 2 tickets. What are you doing? Whether like this, they will do like, if you keep on problems are rising, right? They will put on a background check. Please check this background check. Whether this guy not at all doing things, go and do some background check, something. They will try to identify problems from you. Okay, whether he's coming to correct or not, whether he's doing any fraud or not, whether anything, they will try to look what are the things possible way to throw you out. They will try to find your mistakes to find fire from the office. That's all. Okay, that way when this will happen, whenever you are not doing correctly, but you are doing excellent, man. Whenever we are doing assigning ticket, you are doing everything, so it will be like smooth only. Your team lead will not give any, like in my CEO level, nobody will know that what you are doing here. Who will know that what you are doing? Only your team lead. Whatever you are giving is feedback only, it will go to the top management. So if he is giving good feedback, you will be there. If you are giving a negative feedback, so there is again always there will be star mark on your conditions apply only. Okay, so that is the reason. Now this is a process, now interview they will ask whether you are following waterfall model or agile model. Which model you are following? Agile model. How many days your sprint? 50. Don't say 15 or 30 days, say only one answer. You fix it. 15 days or 30 days. Oh, let us go with the 15 days and tell me how many days your sprint, 15 days. Okay, who will assign your work? How they will assign your work? Jira tickets. So whenever they are assigning, what they will, you will get an email. Okay, so automatically. So how many tickets they will assign, based on the sprint? I am going to suppose I am taking a 5 days leave. I am working only 5 days. Will they assign for 10 days work or 5 days work only? 5 days work only. Okay, 5 days work only. So daily afternoon they will put one meeting. Daily I will attend, right? 11 o'clock I will run and attend meeting, right? That meeting is nothing but a sprint meeting. Okay, so there I need to say, Sudhakar, I am working on a SS stock 125. What I am doing currently, I am adding a login page. You need to tell your status daily. That means that everybody remaining in the team, they will know that what other people are doing it. Okay, so that meeting is what meeting, sprint meeting. Okay, so every day we'll have sprint meeting or will not have meeting. Every day we'll have a meeting. How much time it will have it, 15, like it say 15 to 30 minutes, that's all. We will not have a 2 hours 3 hours meeting. Always our meeting should be very very short, maximum 30 minutes, that's all. We will not have more than a 30 minutes. So how much your time meeting, 30 minutes. Okay, sir, take like 30 minutes. Okay, okay, what you need to tell in that 30 minutes, whatever I am doing today, that I need to tell that. Okay. So today I'm working on the login page. Today I'm working on a validations page. Daily don't tell the same status on whichever ticket you are working. You need to tell that status. Okay, that's clear, right? So that is okay. Suppose if you are having any problem, you can ask in the questions in the meeting itself. I am having this problem. Anybody can help me. Somebody will help you. Okay. So now, so morning, first time, this is your agile methodology. Today is your first day. What will happen, ma? All tickets are assigned to you. Okay, now what you will say? First we'll have agile methodology. We have a 15-day sprint. My team lead will assign the tickets. I'll go to day one based on the priority. Priority means here there will be priority, ma. See, there is a priority ticket is there, right? Medium, high, low is there. First I will start work on the high priority. Then I will work on the medium priority. Then you will ask who will give priority? My team lead will give always one answer only. Anything. If you don't know anything, my team lead only. Okay, correct, right? Okay. So first you will work on the high priority, then you will work on the medium priority, then you will work on the low priority. So first daily morning 10 o'clock I will log into system. My timing is 10 to 8. Something like fix the time. Okay, fix the time. Regular office time is 10 to 7. 8 hours time. Okay, or 11 to 8. Anything you can 10 to 7 or 11 to 8. Okay, fix only one time. R don't say R condition over there. Okay. Okay. So 10 to 7 my time. Okay. So 10 o'clock I will log into system. Okay. And once I log into system, first I will open my mails. Okay, whether my team lead sent any mail or not. I will check my office mail. So if there is any mail, and I will check the mail. Once I check the mails, and I will start on my ticket. And what I will do, ma, I will try to code the changes, and I will commit the changes. I will create a PR, and I will notify my team lead. He will resolve it. So and after that, I will attend my Scrum meeting. This is your responsibility, daily responsibility. Okay, that's what you have to tell it. Okay, so once a sprint is everything is done, there will be one last meeting, ma. Once 15 days is done, we'll have one meeting. Okay, that is called sprint review meeting. In some companies they will do it, some companies they will not do it. If you don't remember, say in my company we don't have review meeting. If you have a review meeting, we can say retro meeting or review meeting, everything is same only. Okay, so in that meeting what they will tell is they will put a claps, whoever done the things right, they will put a claps. Okay, he has completed excellent, and one guy will not do correct, right? He will say like they will not point to anybody, they will not point to anybody in the meeting. They will say these are the good things we have done, these are the bad things we have done. Only there will be 4 points. One thing, what is the good things we have done? We have completed everything this time. What is the bad thing? Last sprint we did not do, complete something. This is like a good or bad. They will not pinpoint to every each people. That is not in good company. They will not point to any name in the meetings. They will say some guy or some people or some project, something like that. They will tell. They will not point it to any people. Okay. And this meeting is called what meeting, ma? Retro meeting. They will ask whether do you have a retro meeting or not. Yes, retro meeting is there. Okay, there is another one more meeting called planning meeting. Planning meeting. Okay, planning meeting is nothing but how many people we are there, ma? 5 people. 5 people, how many days we are going to work on? 10 days. 5 into 10, how many? Something like 50, right? So we want to take a 50 for each guy we want to take one ticket, right, for one day, right? So they will plan all the tickets. That meeting is nothing but a plan meeting. Okay, so you can simply say, sir, in my company my planning always will take care by my team lead only. Always he will start a agile and like he will start a sprint. He will assign the tickets, I will work on it. I never attended the planning meeting. Okay, sometimes I attend the retro meeting. That's all. For your level that is okay. Okay, okay, only big companies they will have a they will call you for meeting. You tell the point, something like this. But normal they will not do all these things. Okay, so you'll say sprint, retro, and the planning is there, but I will not attend. Something, tell something like that. Okay. Okay, now this is okay, right? If you go to dashboard. One last time, ma. Tell me the what is the Jira status, ma? Okay, Jira board. Tell me what is the first time they are giving a ticket. What is the status, ma? To do. Once you are starting the progress, what is the status, ma? In progress. Once you are starting and you are done the changes, you are pushed the changes, created the PR, and now what is the status, ma? In review. And there is a changes he is giving it. What is that we'll call a code review comments. What is that, ma? Code review comments. Okay. Once you are addressing the code review comments, now where it will go? QA. Once QA is tested, where it will go? Closed. Once it is closed, that's a life cycle is done. Okay, by end of the 15 days my board should be empty. All tickets will go to the right side. If all tickets is there in the left side means they will give left and right. Okay, that is the only thing. Okay, always you work first. Whenever you join a new company, you work for more hours. Okay, no problem, but your target is you have to complete your task. That's all. Whether you are spending 3 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, that is your wish. You are intelligent people, you work in 2 hours, happy, go and enjoy. I don't have a problem, but don't like keep your tickets for next sprint. Always try to complete your tickets for this sprint itself. Okay, yeah, that's all. Okay, there is a word called backlog. Backlog means there are like we are 10 people is there. I have 200 tickets. I cannot complete all this in this now, right? I will keep all those tickets in the backlog. Whenever we are starting next time, I will take from there. From there, that is called a backlog. Okay, so this backlog all will managed by whom? My team lead only. Okay, whenever I want ticket, I will ping my team lead. Hey, team lead, I need ticket. He will assign ticket. That's all. You tell that status. Okay. 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 I'll stop the recording. But if anybody want any doubt.